sa ating kapwa-tao at laging magmahalan tayo. Yan ang lunas at ligaya at pag-asa ng bawat kaluluwa. Yan ang hiwaga ng buhay ng tao. Ang naintindihan natin ang message sa kanta, no? So, thank you for singing. You can, the message of the song, Fanapi, is it's about the wonder of life. Yes,
It's for you, Auntie.
Yeah, we must love. Yeah, and
Ngayon lang siya kakanta.
Nahuli.
ang bukas ay we don't know our tomorrow.
Yes.
Yes, so yeah,
Just trust
so
the Lord.
yeah, so we must put our trust in the Lord and learn to love each other.
Yes.
Sing
Amen.
it on Thursday.
Yeah, we sing it
Thank
every
you.
Service.
It's good singing.
everyone.